Good morning. Today we are going to be harvesting some more soybeans. Right now my dad is working on getting some seed to put on the truck, and then we'll head to the soybean field. Door number 1, door number 2. Where does it go? Up there? Yep. So we just got some filters. We're trying to put some in the combine right now. I think we might have one for the tractor too. It looks a lot better. So I'm gonna grease some of the fittings on the tractor. I honestly don't know where all of them are, but I guess I'll just do all the ones I can find. And then I'm gonna clean the windows up. That hasn't been done this year, so they're pretty dirty. So I mean, I don't know if we got all of them, but we at least got most of them, so that's better than none of them, I guess. So now, guys, I get to do my favorite job in the whole wide world. Clean windows. It's not really my favorite, but I've been getting better at it, so I guess practice makes perfect or something like that. We did it. I forgot the window cleaner. Alright, so I'm gonna go, the tarp's still on. I'm gonna go do that real quick. Now we're dumping soybeans on the dump truck. But we are heading to the combine now. He was already starting harvesting like 30 minutes ago. But I was just cleaning the windows, waiting for him to get here so I could dump. But now we're back at harvesting soybeans. All the windows are so clean. Yesterday you couldn't even hardly see through them to get a video. But this is gonna be dump number 1 from the combine today. We've got like 8 acres left in this field over here, and then we have 60 back that way. Shoot, he was just playing with me. He stuck out that auger while I was taking a video and made me run back to the grain cart and then put the auger back. Yep. Well, now he's dumping on me for real this time. Wow. Why'd the tractor cross the road to get It is 12:43, which means it is time for lunch. So, today we have another turkey sandwich like we did yesterday, and 5 Oreo cookies. I also have some leftover party mix from a couple days ago. Party mix! Do you see that? It's like a soybean stalk stuck in the tire. We're on the way to the next field. That's a pretty full load right there. You want me to follow you around the outside, don't you?
Yeah, behind.
10, 4. A little bit of a hole. But yeah, so we just started over here. It's about a 30-acre field, so I'm going to follow him around just in case he needs a dump. Usually he doesn't need a dump on the outside of like smaller fields, but this one he might get a little bit more than usual since it's so big. Those clouds look really funny. Anyway, but he did a little bit of this field right here, this little section, and then he did a little outside round over there. And now he's working on this field, and he's done about 10 acres, which is kind of crazy because he's only done the 2 outside rounds, and that was 10 acres, which is really weird. It's like, that's crazy. I don't understand that. Shoot, that's even a bigger load than last time. Don't tip it up too high, it's kind of full. Headed to the combine. Just made it to the combine. I have no idea how many acres we've done in this field, but the scales still aren't working right. I zeroed him and now it says negative 5,000 when I dumped. I'll probably name him like Jim. Yep, this is Jim the stink bug. So I just finished filling up about halfway. He's over there waiting, so I'm gonna head over there. We don't have very many acres left. It is 5:30, so we'll probably be finished here probably another hour or two. But right now, I'm gonna get the rest of the load for him, and he's gonna head back to the shop and haul it tomorrow to go sell it to the port. Just made it to the combine. You can see the windows, they're already that dusty from when I cleaned them this morning. But good old car duster right on those windows fixes it right up. We're dumping on the move. After this, I should have plenty to finish dumping on Harry. And then we have about 9 acres left, then we'll be done for the day. Augers going up. That's probably one of the fullest loads I've ever filled up. He told me to fill her on up, so I filled her on up. Looks like it got a rock stuck in the combine just now. Uncle Harry pulled it out. Do you think that truck's full enough?
But somehow you're right square in the way.
Apparently I'm right square in the way. So apparently that rock, I thought that was a rock, it's actually some kind of turtle. So I'm gonna get it back out of harm's way. It's in there tight. Hiding. Hopefully we find there out of the combine's path. We're about to head straight through the dust. He wants me to dump on the move. He's got to cut the field with only half the head because he said for some reason it's not cutting right or something. One of the blades is broken, so he said he's going to harvest with a little combine for the rest of the day. We're going to blow off the combine after this. It is 6:39, and I guess we'll move in the morning. I think it's probably too late to move tonight.
Got the section. 2 of this.
So the cutter bar had hit like a groundhog hole or something, and it had messed up like a couple of the sections, which cuts the soybeans. That's why it wasn't cutting. It was cutting like half the head. But they're gonna work on that. I'm gonna blow off the grain cart while they're working on that. So we just got everything finished. We did about 70 acres today. I just finished dusting and blowing off the combine and tractor. But that's about it for today's video. I'll catch y'all next one, and have a blessed day.